In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members on Podia. If you're building courses, communities, or digital downloads with Podia, bringing in the right teammates can save time and keep your workflow organized. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can add collaborators with confidence. Start by signing in and heading to your Podia dashboard. This is your home base where you'll see your products, customers, and site options. In the sidebar, look for your account name. Click it to open your account menu and access the settings related to your workspace. From that menu, choose the team section. This is where you'll add new people and manage everyone who already has access. On the team page, click the Invite Teammate button to begin a new invitation. You'll be prompted to enter a few details: the person's first name, last name, and email address. Type these carefully because Podia will use that email to send the invite. A quick double check here prevents bounced messages or delays later. Next, set permissions for your new teammate. Think about what they actually need to do. For example, you might give a content creator access to products and posts, a support helper access to customers and messaging, or a finance-focused collaborator visibility into sales and payouts. The principle of least privilege is a good guide. Grant only what's necessary to do the job. You can adjust these settings at any time, so don't worry if you're unsure. You can start conservatively and expand access as needed. When you're happy with the permissions, click Send Invitation. Podia will email your teammate with a link to join your workspace. They'll follow that link to accept the invitation and set up their access. If they don't see the message within a few minutes, have them check their spam or promotions folder and confirm that you entered the correct email. Once someone has joined, you'll see them listed on the team page. To make changes later, click Manage next to their name. From there, you can update permissions if their responsibilities change or remove them if they no longer need access. Removing a teammate takes effect right away, so it's a good idea to make sure any important drafts, files, or responsibilities have been reassigned beforehand. And that's the full process. Go to your dashboard, open your account menu, select Team, invite a teammate, choose their permissions, and send the invite. Keep permissions tidy, review them periodically, and you'll maintain a secure, efficient Podia workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy building.